Every stitch matters when you're working on a project that deserves precision and reliability. Best Janome sewing machines combine user-friendly features, durable construction, and smooth performance to handle everything from basic repairs to advanced sewing tasks. Here are the top models that stand out for quality, versatility, and value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 5. Janome Toile Sewing Machine. The Janome Toile Sewing Machine is an excellent choice for beginners, hobbyists, and collectors who want a reliable sewing machine with a unique and elegant design. As an officially licensed Bridgerton limited edition model, it stands out with its beautiful toile-inspired artwork while still delivering the dependable performance Janome is known for. Built with a durable metal frame, this machine provides excellent stability during operation, helping reduce vibration and ensuring consistent stitch quality even during extended sewing sessions. Its compact size and manageable 12-pound weight make it easy to move or store without sacrificing durability. Equipped with 15 built-in stitches and a 4-step buttonhole, the machine offers enough versatility for everyday sewing tasks, including garment construction, home decor projects, alterations, quilting basics, and creative crafts. Users can also customize their results thanks to the adjustable stitch length and zigzag width, allowing greater control over decorative stitching and seam finishing. The front-loading bobbin system features a built-in loading guide that simplifies setup, making it especially welcoming for beginners who may still be learning proper threading techniques. The straightforward controls and intuitive layout reduce the learning curve, allowing new sewists to gain confidence quickly, while still providing enough functionality for experienced users tackling routine projects.
Number 4. Janome Exclusive Sewing Machines. The Janome Exclusive Sewing Machine is a compact yet dependable sewing solution that appeals to beginners and casual sewists alike. Constructed with durable metal components, it offers the strength and stability necessary for consistent sewing performance over time. The machine's white finish provides a clean, professional appearance, while its relatively compact size allows it to fit comfortably into smaller sewing spaces. Despite its modest dimensions, the machine feels solid during operation, helping users achieve straighter seams and smoother stitching results. Its AC-powered operation ensures reliable performance across a variety of everyday sewing applications. Whether repairing garments, hemming pants, creating simple home decor items, or working on beginner crafting projects, this machine delivers practical functionality without unnecessary complexity. The sturdy construction helps reduce vibration, making the sewing experience more comfortable and controlled. Users who are new to sewing often appreciate equipment that focuses on ease of use, and this Janome model is designed with that goal in mind. The machine's manageable weight also makes it convenient to transport for classes, workshops, or temporary workspaces. Janome's reputation for quality manufacturing adds confidence to the purchase, as the brand is widely recognized for producing dependable sewing machines. For those seeking a straightforward, durable, and easy-to-maintain machine, the Janome Exclusive Sewing Machine offers excellent value. Its combination of simplicity, reliability, and solid construction makes it a worthwhile addition to any sewing setup.
Number 3. Janome Memory Sewing Machines. The Janome Memory Sewing Machine 8200 QCP Special Edition is a feature-rich model designed for serious sewing enthusiasts, quilters, and advanced users who require exceptional performance and flexibility. Equipped with 170 built-in stitches, including decorative options, utility stitches, 3 alphabet styles, and 10 one-step buttonholes, this machine provides extensive creative possibilities. Its high-resolution LCD touchscreen makes stitch selection and customization simple, while automatic thread tension control and an automatic thread cutter streamline the sewing process. These advanced features help users focus more on creativity and less on machine adjustments. One of the most impressive aspects of this machine is its spacious 11-inch by 4.7-inch work area, which provides ample room for quilting,
large projects, and bulky fabrics. 5 ultra-bright LED lights illuminate the workspace, reducing eye strain and improving visibility. The detachable AccuFeed Flex fabric feeding system ensures smooth fabric handling and consistent stitch quality, even when working with multiple layers or challenging materials. Additional conveniences include a built-in needle threader, foot pressure adjustment, extra high presser foot lift, free arm capability, and drop feed function.
Number 2. Janome MC6650 Sewing Machines. The Janome MC6650 sewing machine is a powerful computerized model that blends industrial-inspired durability with modern sewing technology. Built around a solid aluminum body frame and an all-metal seamless 10-inch flatbed, this machine is designed to deliver exceptional stability and long-term reliability. With a sewing speed of up to 1,000 stitches per minute, it is well-suited for sewists who regularly tackle large projects and need efficient performance without sacrificing precision. Whether working on garments, quilts, crafts, or home decor items, the MC6650 provides the power and control needed for professional quality results. Despite its advanced capabilities, the machine remains approachable for newer users. Features such as a built-in needle threader, independent bobbin winder, top-loading rotary hook bobbin system, and one-push needle plate conversion simplify setup and operation. Experienced sewists will appreciate the extensive customization options, while beginners can gradually explore the machine's advanced functions as their confidence grows. The generous 10-inch throat space provides ample room for large quilting projects and bulky fabrics, making it especially useful for serious hobbyists.
Number 1. Janome Arctic Sewing Machines. The Janome Arctic Sewing Machine is a thoughtfully designed entry-level machine that makes sewing approachable and enjoyable for beginners. Built with simplicity in mind, it removes much of the intimidation that first-time users often experience when learning how to sew. From threading the machine to selecting stitches, every function is designed to be straightforward and easy to understand. With 15 built-in stitches and a 4-step buttonhole feature, it provides enough versatility for a wide range of household sewing projects, including clothing alterations, repairs, home decor items, patchwork, and light quilting. The ability to adjust stitch length and width allows users to achieve cleaner, more customized results while developing their sewing skills. One of the strongest aspects of this machine is its smooth fabric handling. The 3-piece feed dog system works efficiently to move fabric evenly beneath the needle, helping create consistent stitches on both lightweight and moderately thick materials. The free arm design adds convenience when sewing sleeves, cuffs, pant legs, and other hard-to-reach areas. Weighing only 13 pounds, the machine is easy to transport and store, making it ideal for small sewing rooms, classes, or crafting retreats.
That wraps up our picks for the best embroidery sewing machines. Whether you're personalizing gifts, creating custom designs, or expanding your crafting skills, the right machine can make every project more enjoyable. Compare the features that matter most, choose the best fit for your needs, and start stitching with confidence. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.